Hey peeps, this is the Chinanja sewing space, and if you're not be following me on Instagram, then you wouldn't have known. But I got a new sewing machine. It's a Brother Innovis 35P, and while today is just going to be an unboxing, I noticed that on YouTube and online there isn't much about this sewing machine, this particular one. So, and especially the ones in English, the few I saw were not in English. So, if you're interested, you let me know and I'll give you a review of the sewing machine. For my Nigerian peeps, I bought this machine in Nigeria and I'll have all the details to the seller in the description box. So, yeah, let's go. Time for an unboxing. So, I'll unbox and show you guys. First of all, it's just a case. Right on top there's a foot pedal, there's a cable, a power cable, and while I was researching the sewing machine, right, I couldn't figure out where you'd find the stitches, but it's right here. You stick it on somewhere, we'll figure that out together. That one, here's my receipt. Then another thing I like about this sewing machine is that it comes with a hardcover, quite sturdy. I think I'll say it's sturdier than my Janome, which, in case you guys have been away, where have you been? I got a Janome first of all, and I had to return it because it wasn't working to Amazon. So here's the big baby. It's not big. I need to stop comparing because there's no basis for comparison, right? From a Janome HD 3000 to this. But there's another cable, and here are the instructions, which you should read, guys. I read my instructions, because you have to find out about things like oiling the machine and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll say she's prettier in person than online. Okay. So yeah, let me scoot you guys in closer. So as you guys can see, excuse the mess that ways. In fact, there's no excuse. There's just no excuse, so I'm not going to say anything. So right up here is the typical, this is to wind the bobbin. This is a spool pin. But I wonder if it's, well, what I'm going to say is it does do double needles, so I'm guessing there's another spool pin place available, which I can't see now. Well, yeah, shit. So this is a manual tension dial, and let's see, it's got an okay, different from any machine I have. The presser foot lift is on the side here, so that had me for a bit. And now to take this off, right? So top loading bobbin, I like all the markings etched on here, and it's got a what do you call it, automatic needle threader. So it's got the lines and whatnot, and here opens up for the goodies. It also pulls out, so this part comes off for your, so that you can sew your sleeve and your hems, right? Then that's a look at the front. Let's take a look at the back. Now for the back, there's nothing much. It's just a handle, and yeah, nothing much. But you can uh, lower the feed dogs. Then one thing that makes me really happy is, you see the presser foot is down. It can go up. There's an extra high one, right? That makes me really happy because I was so scared it wasn't going to have that. So let's look in and see what goodies are in the bag. So these are the things that were in the compartment, and so I was looking at it. I was wondering, like, does it mean that they didn't give us a screwdriver or anything like that? And I found it in the box, so I'll open that up as well. So this is everything in the other pack. There's screwdrivers, there's a unpicker, a seam ripper, there's a brush, and like I said, I knew they'd have, because you can do twin needles, another thing that was important to me, twin needle capabilities, and it can do that. So this is the spool pin that I'm sure you put up there somewhere, and these are the spool caps. Then this is just a net to hold your thread, I'm guessing. So yeah, this is 3 bobbins plus 1 in there, so that's 4. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feet that come with it. This is the automatic buttonhole foot, which was another thing for me. I wanted a 1-step buttonhole. Did not want to do 4-step like my other machine. So this next foot is the overcast foot. Oh, that's a glare. Sorry about the glare. Then the next one is the monogramming foot. Then there's the zipper foot, or just the regular sewing feet, which is this one here. Then there's the zipper foot, and there's a blind stitch foot. There's a foot for sewing buttonhole, for sewing on buttons, sorry. Then, like, brother has just won me over. This is a twin needle that comes with the machine. I've never seen a machine that came with that. Well, I've never had loads of experience with machines. And these are needles. I believe these two are, I believe those two are size 11 needles. Then the other 4 are size 90 needles. But these 2 here are ballpoint. So kudos to you guys. And yeah, that's it. Oh, I forgot. On the side, you do have the power switch, right? There's a on and off switch, and there's this there's a cable for the, there's a thing for the power, and there's another one for the foot control pedal. Then there's a hand wheel there. Okay, what else? So if you're like me, you've been curious for how the stitch selection works, and it just comes like this, and you stick it onto your handle of the sewing machine, right? Just stick it on there, and you look and you turn your dial. Just look and you turn your dial. So I think I'll plug the machine up just to see the highest stitch length and stitch width it gets to. So, let's check out the maximum stitch length and stitch width. So this is the stitch length, and as you can see, the buttons there, plus or minus. So let's see, maximum stitch length of 5. Let's go for stitch width, increments of 5. Oh, stitch width of 7. I like it. So like I said, this is just an unboxing. If you're interested in a full review or tutorial, this doesn't open up, you let me know. So I'll wind the bobbin, do the thingy thread, sew some stitches, then I'll figure out how, like if there's memory to store so that you can go back to some stitches automatically and not have to press down all the way or jog the dial all the way down. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and like I said, if there's any other thing you want to know about the machine, let me know and I'll be glad to help. Bye.